Hello friends, now we see the subtopic 2, that is the limit form definition of derivative of chapter derivative. Number 1, first of all, dy by dx means differentiate y with respect to x. In limit form, this can be written as dy upon dx is equal to limit delta y upon delta x as delta x tend to 0. Number 2, dp upon dt means differentiate p with respect to t. Therefore, in limit form, dp upon dt can be written as limit delta t tend to 0 delta p upon delta t. Number 3, now here S represent displacement, V represent velocity, A represent acceleration, then velocity V is equal to rate of change of displacement, that is ds upon dt. In limit form, this can be written as limit delta t tends to 0 delta s upon delta t. Then acceleration A is equal to the rate of change of velocity, that is dv upon dt. In limit form, this can be written as limit delta t tends to 0 delta v upon delta t. Also, the acceleration A can be written as d2s by dt square. So this is all about limit form definition of derivative. Thank you.